Hey guys, welcome to Techtilltoe. Today let's see some huge changes in Miui 10 camera app. This is the camera interface. You can see the autofocus has been made faster. After selecting filters, you can swipe left or right to change it. Here are some new filters added. This makes easy to swipe, and this is the HDR mode. It's improved a bit. I'll show you samples of images in end of the video. This is a new feature. You can long press on a focus to lock it. Here you can see I have locked the focus and I am taking a camera far and closer. You can see the blur in background, depth effect. In manual mode, you have two options to lock ISO and focus. This is what Xiaomi claims. Here you can change the focus and see the front object is blurred, and again you can focus on an object. You can change the intensity of ISO. Works perfectly fine. You can install this app in any Xiaomi device. Here you can see the change in background. Hope you like the new video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.